So we're back, and today we have this board that the charging ports has been damaged or badly damaged, so we need to replace it with another one from scrap, which made it not to charge or power the system. If you look closely, you see that the pins have been spots, so we need to replace it. We remove the bad one and replace with a good one. So finally replace it, and would allow it to cool. Then you can see this one still has the rubber intact, which will facilitate it to charge properly. So let's test and see if the light will charging LED light will blink. If it does, that means it's very much okay. And we just need to check the voltage once more and see if the current is circulating properly. So everything seems to be fine. We have 19 volts. So let's see if the charging light is coming up. So it's okay.